Every single day, over 30,000 websites are hacked across the internet. From small blogs to massive e-commerce platforms, no one is safe. But how do hackers actually hack websites? And more importantly, how can you protect yours? Welcome to BitCops, where we reveal how hackers think, so you can defend like a pro. Before the attack begins, every hacker has one goal: information. They start by scanning your website for weaknesses using tools like Nmap, Nikto, or Derb. These tools reveal open ports, outdated plugins, and hidden directories, the entry points most website owners never notice. The first step is reconnaissance, also known as footprinting. Hackers collect data about your domain, DNS records, subdomains, and CMS. They might use websites like Shodan, Whois lookup, or sublist3 to gather this data silently. All this helps them build a digital map of your system. Once they find a weak spot, the real attack begins. They might upload a web shell, exploit SQL injection, or run brute force attacks on your admin panel. For example, if your website uses an outdated plugin, a hacker can exploit known CVE vulnerabilities to gain control within seconds. After gaining access, hackers rarely stop there. They escalate privileges, inject malware, or create backdoors so they can re-enter your system anytime, even after you patch the issue. So, how can you protect your website from being the next target? Keep your CMS and plugins updated. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Install a web application firewall, WAF, like Cloudflare or Mod Security. Regularly scan for vulnerabilities using tools like OpenVS or Burp Suite. And most importantly, monitor your logs. Attackers often leave clues behind. Remember, hackers don't break in. They log in through weak security. Every line of code, every configuration, and every habit you form counts. Stay updated, stay secured, and keep learning, because cybersecurity isn't a tool, it's a mindset. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to BitCops, and share this video to help others secure their websites. Together, we can make the internet safer.